Hello and welcome to AberSU Celebrates Societies Awards 2021. This year, like no other, has proven just how amazing our societies can be. Overcoming obstacles, adapting to rapidly changing circumstances, and finding as many ways possible to continue with their activities. The Team Aber family have done an outstanding job of keeping the student community together, and I thank each and every one of you for doing your part. Over the past year, the Opportunities Office and our societies have overcome many challenges in ensuring that no one from the student population would be left behind. We have all managed to keep activities, whether online or in person, providing constant support and entertainment for participants. It has been fantastic seeing all of your activities going ahead and how many of you have thrived this year with your memberships and opportunities. In spite of the many obstacles faced, we have recorded multiple successes from your own organized drag events and competitions, to your participation in SU organized events such as Arts Festival, Super Challenge, Varsity and Societies Fest, none of which would have taken place if it wasn't for the amazing work of the SU team and our students. Among the many societies that have put a tremendous effort to their work, we would like to give a shout out to Tickled Pink, English and Creative Writing, and ACV, whose efforts did not go unnoticed by the SU team. I would like to give thanks to all of you on behalf of AberSU Students' Union, and a huge good luck to all shortlisted societies and individuals. Now, please join us in celebration as we move on to the awards presentation for AberSU Celebrates Societies Awards 2021.
The first award of the evening is for Academic or Course-Based Society of the Year. This award is granted to an academic society who has made an outstanding contribution to their department, as well as the union, university and wider community. The nominees are English and Creative Writing, Maths Society, Animal and Veterinary, Law Soc, Geography and Education. In third place, we have the Maths Society for offering career talks and online events to their department's members. In second place is the Law Society for organising multiple online events, hosting guests and participating in competitions. The winner of this award is a society who managed to work together with their respective department and provided an abundance of workshops and activities to their members. They have excelled in their effort to make their students active and engaged. Congratulations to our winner of Academic or Course-Based Society of the Year, English and Creative Writing.
The next award is Welsh Culture Award. This award recognises the society that has integrated bilingualism into their activities and promotional material, alongside conserving Welsh culture and heritage and actively encouraging the involvement of Welsh speakers. The nominees are Conservation Volunteers, Animal and Veterinary, and Geography. In second place for this award, we have Aberystwyth Conservation Volunteers for keeping up their work of taking care of the Welsh landscape. And the winner of this award is a society whose love for learning kept their members engaged and interested in preserving the Welsh language. They've organised many Welsh language lessons and worked around numerous challenges. Congratulations to the winner of the Welsh Culture Award, Geography.
Hey everyone, the next award is for Biggest Contribution Charity Society. This award is granted to a charity affiliated society whose members have freely given a significant amount of their time to their cause throughout the year, or a society that has raised a significant amount for their charity or cause. The nominees are Mae UMAber for raising an incredible amount of money and organising stem cell donations, Tickled Pink for actively raising money and awareness alongside the Copperfield charity. The winner of this award is a society whose charitable dedication drives great results. They have been creative, active, and open to adapting, ensuring that their core purpose stays untouched by the obstacles of the year. They have excelled in increasing their membership and continue to raise awareness of their cause also. Congratulations to the winner of the biggest contribution charity society, Tickled Pink. Well done.
The next award is the Adaptability and Resilience Award. This award has been created this year to celebrate the adaptability and resilience shown by many of our student groups as a result of the change in circumstances. This may include finding innovative and creative ways of doing activities, utilising new technologies, and adapting to alternative ways of engaging their members. The winner of this award will have actively maintained their core purpose in the activities that they have provided. The nominees are Crisis Games and Model United Nations, K-pop, AberSU Conservation Volunteers, Curtain Call, ESN and Bee Conservation. The third place society for this award is Crisis Games and Model United Nations for organising regular events, including a 6-week-long crisis game to ensure their members could participate in their field of interest this year. In second place, we have AberSU Conservation Volunteers for actively adapting to the circumstances and ensuring that their core purpose was still met at all times. They've organised engaging online events and outdoor activities when restrictions allowed. Finally, the winner of this award is a society that has been greatly impacted by the situation, due to the fact that singing is considered to be one of the highest risk COVID-19 activities. Yet this group have managed to adapt and overcome many of the challenges faced and kept their members happy and engaged throughout the year through a variety of online events and performance opportunities. They have creatively made use of various virtual platforms and outdoor locations. Congratulations to the winner of the Adaptability and Resilience Award of 2021, Curtain Call.
So the next award is the Sustainability Award. This award is granted to the society that has actively promoted sustainability within a wide range of their activities. This includes cultural and social sustainability, as well as environmental and economical sustainability. The nominees for this category are as follows: the Conservation Volunteers, the Bee Conservation, the Eco-Education Society, the Law Society, and last but not least, Aber Pride. Congratulations to all the candidates nominated in this category. So the awards are as follows. In third place for this award, congratulations to AberSU Conservation Volunteers for keeping up their great work in preservation of the local landscape. In second place, well done to the Eco-Education Society for promoting environmental awareness and organising upcycling socials and activities. The winner of this award is a society whose core purpose lies in saving the planet by saving the bees. They have worked tirelessly throughout to ensure that their beekeeping has not been impacted by the circumstances of current situations, and they have kept their enthusiasm in spreading awareness of their cause. So congratulations to the Bee Conservation Society for winning this award.
Hey everyone, Nate here. So this next award is the Administrative Excellence Award. This award is granted to someone who has been dedicated towards the running and the administration of a particular society. They are the unsung hero who sits behind the scenes. They play a crucial role in the society reaching their achievements. And the nominees are, and I apologise for my pronunciation on this, it's not going to be that great. Gabriella Bostico from Aberphoenix, Finley Reynolds from ACV, Gabriella Hikrova from the Photography SOC, Chris DeVago from ESN, Alexandra Blumen from Nightline, and Jess Wheel from Curtain Call. So, in third place for this award, we have Finley Reynolds for Fantasy and Sci-Fi and ACV for excellent management, administration and communication within their groups. In second place, we have Gabriella Hikrova from Photography SOC for their incredible work to ensure the society has continued running virtually. And finally, the winner of this award is a student who has managed to work around the difficulties and redefine the way in which their society works. They've been dedicated to bringing back the great work of their student group and managed to do so with an amazing success. Congratulations to the winner of the Administrative Excellent Award, Alexandra Blumen from Nightline. Well done.
The next award is Society Personality of the Year. This award is granted to an individual who is highly valued within their society, but also shows a good sense of personal flair, humour and enthusiasm in all aspects of their society and the outward Team Aber community. The nominees are Amber McNeil, Isaac Langram, Catherine Taylor, Jess Wheel, Sabina O'Donoghue and Rosie Durham. In third place, we have Catherine Taylor from Kirkcall for providing incredible effort and dedication to adapt the society's work offline. In second place, we have Isaac Langram from Interpol for inspiring others to stay positive throughout the year. However, the winner of this award is a student whose dedication to work inspires others. They were described as reliable, open and enthusiastic and are a great asset to the AberSU community. Congratulations to the winner of Society's Personality of the Year, Sabina O'Donoghue from Bee Conservation.
The next award is the Society's Person of the Year. This award is granted to an individual who has excelled in their chosen field of interest and has enhanced the reputation of AberSU. They may have represented their society on a regional or national level and have excelled within the university and union structure. The nominees are Kiera Graystick from Eco-Education, Alexandra Blumen from Nightline, Stefani Dimitrova from K-pop, Serki Merchant from English and Creative Writing, Finley Reynolds from Fantasy and Sci-Fi, and Michaela Mislerova from Akmon. In third place, congratulations to Kiera Graystick from Eco-Education for her continued and impressive dedication to the society's work. In second place, well done to Serki Merchant from English and Creative Writing for a creative input to the society's work over the year. The winner of this award is a student whose dedication and enthusiasm has kept their group thriving and successful regardless the obstacles. They have managed to keep up the good spirit of the group and led their members to victory in Welsh national competition. Congratulations to the winner of the Society's Person of the Year award, Stefani Dimitrova from K-pop.
The next award is Society of the Year. This award is the most coveted and sought after award within the Team Aber community. This is awarded to the most successful, committed and active society of the past academic year. The nominees are Conservation Volunteers, Law Society, English and Creative Writing, K-pop, Bee Conservation and Curtain Calls. In third place, we have K-pop for being active throughout the year, providing opportunities for members to stay connected and participate in national online dance competitions. In second place, we have English and Creative Writing for working hard to provide their members and department with much needed support and a sense of community. Then, on to our winner of this award, is a society whose dedication and work has kept the AberSU environment thriving throughout the year. They have been active, hard-working and inspiring to bring the best of the world around them. Congratulations to our Society of the Year, AberSU Conservation Volunteers. Finally, we have the University Colours. These are awarded to individual students who have shown continued outstanding dedication or made an exceptional contribution to their society. The University Colour recipients are Alexandra Blumen, Elaine Brooke, Amber McNeil, Callum Jones, Finlay Reynolds, Jess Wheel, Catherine Taylor, Lauren Dunkley, Megan Bunker, Megan Limburn, Olga Olver, Rebecca Howarth, Sabina O'Donoghue, Cirque Merchant, Sian Allen, Aisling Sturlock, Gabriella Hrikova, Kiera Guzadik and Grace Sawyer. Congratulations to you all.
Congratulations to all who were nominated, shortlisted, and especially to our winners this evening. Thanks to your commitment, enthusiasm, and creativity, we have had such a successful year regardless of the many difficulties the world is facing. It is both inspiring and empowering to see the dedication of all our societies, especially in the face of adversity. Quoting a great thinker of the antique, Seneca, "The bravest sight in the world is to see a great man struggling against adversity." You are all an essential part of Team Aber and the wider AberSU community, and thanks to you, we, as employees at AberSU, find strength and inspiration to get out of bed and go to work each day. Thank you for your invaluable work and commitment, and thank you for making my 2 years in office the best experience it could have possibly been. Before I finish, I would like to leave you with the sentence from John Collins: "In prosperity, our friends know us. In adversity, we know our friends." May we never forget that. Thank you for your time. Once more, congratulations to all the winners and nominees, and have a nice night. Till next time.